Hi everyone, I can't believe I'm back again so quickly to share another happy mail which I received this week. A few of you, if you've watched my previous video, you know I got a beautiful mermaid journal from the lovely Janet Hicks, and it was a lovely surprise, and I did sort of fall in love with the journal as soon as I saw it. And as if that wasn't enough, I think the day after I got some gorgeous happy mail off Tina, who sent me a gorgeous parcel of doilies and fabrics and threads and all sorts, really, and I was absolutely thrilled with that. And then yesterday I went to work and my partner Steve rung me up and said, "Oh, you've got a parcel arrived." He said it feels like fabric, and I've been waiting on some fabric for, this must be 2 weeks now, from eBay, and there's still no sign of it. So I just thought, oh great, my fabric's finally arrived. But when I got home and opened it, I was like, wow, again, I can't believe I have actually got this beautiful, well, I'll tease you first. I'll just show you the pouch that this journal came in. I think Tina showed it last night on one of her videos. She has one as well, and I loved it. And it's gorgeous. It's made up of some beautiful floral fabric, and it's got some lace pockets on, which I'll definitely use, and I'm going to keep this for this journal. But before the big reveal, I'll just want to say straight away, thank you so much, Andrea, for thinking of me and sending me your beautiful journal. Now, I know a few of you have seen this and have followed along on Andrea's Artymaze's channel. I've actually been gifted, wait for it, her beautiful boho journal. Can you believe that? And it's absolutely more stunning than what it was on when I watched her videos. I followed this all the way through her series that she did of decorating it and everything, and I thought it was absolutely beautiful. But to touch it is just something else. I don't know about some of you, but I do love touch. I like to touch things, and I just love textiles and fabrics and jangly bits and everything, and this has got it all and more. I'll give you a quick run through this. I had to do this today. I've just got in from work, so I'm in a bit of a exhausted mode, but if I don't do it today, it'll be a week before I get the house empty again. My partner's home for the rest of the week, and I can't film when he's in the house. He's in and out disturbing me, so I thought I'll do it now while the house is quiet. It's lovely and chunky, as you can see, and look at all these beautiful charms and pom-pom trim and beads and dangles. But just look at this lovely charm thing here. Gorgeous green boho bead. I hope I'm in frame here, and if you've checked. Professional as ever. And it's just got loads of little bits of dangly bits. Is that a word, dangly bits? But you get my drift. Anyway, the cover's beautiful. There's a lady collage, a gorgeous boho looking lady, collaged on the front, the beautiful flower. And the back is a gorgeous patchwork of textiles and patched. Oh, it's just lovely. The colours are beautiful. It's so boho. I love boho journals. If anyone said to me what your favourite journals are, I'm always stumped, because I sort of like so many styles. I love boho, but I love nature and I love vintage and I love lace, and I just guess I love all sorts of journals. But to have this gifted to me, wow, I just can't believe it. I know you all know Andrea from Artymaze and how beautiful her stuff is, but for any of you who hasn't ever followed her videos, that you learn so much. I learned so much watching Andrea's tutorials, and she just inspires me. Both her, Janet and Tina, inspire me so much on a daily basis. Better do less waffle, haven't I, to start actually showing you. Andrea used a beautiful kit, her Bohemian kit. I've yet to use this, but it's gorgeous, and I have noticed there's a lack of gorgeous Bohemian kits about. When I first wanted one, I couldn't find one anywhere, but this is absolutely stunning. There's a little side pocket here, and there's loads and loads of little journaling cards, tags. I won't pull everything out because there's that much in it. I'll probably be here till Christmas, but it's gorgeous. It's full of feathers, and it's so tactile, it's unbelievable. And there's a gorgeous little booklet here. Oh, and a tag. It's like a little booklet Oh, I was looking at this all last night when I got in. I was so tired and I knew I had to go to bed, but I still sat up playing with it and looking in it. And as Andrea mentioned in a lovely little card, she said me, I do write. I do journal in my journals, and this is just so lovely. And there's absolutely, I can't wait to get writing in it actually. It's full of lovely quotes, and oh, it's just full of lovely lace and fabric, and it's just gorgeous. Another little booklet, and it's absolutely chock-a-block. Look at that with stuff. I hope I can do it justice. There's that much in it. I will put a link. Andrea does a better tutorial explanation of her journal than what I can ever do, but I will link her channel below and her Etsy shop where you can get these gorgeous papers in. Another little quote, free spirit, and what's exactly what I think of boho. Got all this lovely writing space. More tons of journaling cards, and I love journaling cards because you can just keep adding to them and taking away. And this is, look at this gorgeous tag. I just love all these colours. So what I love about boho, there's that many colours you wouldn't think they all go together, but with boho you just put everything together. Greens go with pinks, which goes with blues, goes with orange, black, purple, everything goes with boho. That's why I love it so much. It's so eclectic. And a lot of the pages are being gessoed. Another journaling tag with a beautiful, like an organza pocket. That's beautiful. And some, I don't know if you can actually see this trim on the bottom. I keep thinking I'm getting disconnected on this. I think I'm still going. There's a lovely, like a green trim on the bottom. More journaling space, more journaling cards with lovely, lovely tags. Are gorgeous in here. Oh, this is an envelope, which I love for putting little bits and pieces in. Oh, there's a gorgeous, this envelope is beautiful. Wow, just love them colours. I won't pull everything out, but I think there's some little tags and stuff in there as well. Like I said, I've only looked at this a few times. I don't know if you're like me when you get a new journal. All I want to do, I'm like a kid when I get with a new toy. I just want to play with it and touch it, and oh, it's gorgeous. Look at this. Wow, Andrew, these papers are beautiful. Lovely little embellishments. Another postcard. She has a free spirit. Oh, the trims are beautiful on it. I mean, I can't believe, imagine getting 3 happy mails in a week, and wow, I sometimes wonder what have I done in my life to get such gorgeous gifts off people. I'm just really, really thrilled. It's just so very kind of you. Some lovely ledger paper. I'll definitely be making plenty of notes and writing in this. I think this one will be, I have got another boho journal which I got off Janet Hicks, which we all know is Andrea's sister. I did a swap I think last year, and I got a beautiful, and I've nearly filled that actually with, I do a lot of yoga, and I do write my daily practices in it and how I felt, how it made me feel, blah blah blah. And I think I'll continue this with sort of I sort of quite like a mindful spiritual journal where I can just record all my yoga practices and that side of stuff. God, this envelope is beautiful, Andrea. I love that lady as well. And the little beautiful trims. Honestly, your journals inspire me so much. I don't know about you, but I tend to watch YouTube videos in the evening, late on at night when everyone's in bed, and I've got the house to myself. And as soon as I see certain people, it always makes me want to run up and jump up and get into my craft space and start working on stuff. But Andrea is so inspiring, both her and Janet, and they share the processes so generously. Look at that, it's beautiful. And I love how the colours of these pages. I really need to start watching some tutorials on inking up my pages, and I'm always a bit, I don't know, I've got some distress sprays and I've sort of tend to use them on smaller things, but I've never sort of really tried them on bigger things like a full sheet of paper, and I never know what they're going to come out like. But when the weather gets a bit better, I'm going to get outside and start having a go at some of this eco dyeing as well. What me up to nearly 10 minutes? Yeah, I'm okay. Guest check. Sorry, I'm doing a lot of waffling today, aren't I? Like I said, I've just finished work now and I've got tomorrow and Tuesday off, so that's good. Hoping to get some crafting done then. Oops. There's a lovely little charm here. I won't pull it at the moment because I think I've just caught it. Oh, I've done it. I'm always frightened of like ripping things. Look at that gorgeous, I think, is that a napkin? That's beautiful. I love these colours. I really love blues and aquas together. They're just perfect. Some more decoupage napkin, I think there. That's lovely. And some lovely ephemera. I can't wait to get writing in this. Like I said, I do love to write in my journals, and I just like seeing how my journals are filling up, and maybe one day when I'm a little old lady I can sit there and look back at all these beautiful things that people gifted me and just read back to one of my younger self. Somebody suggested actually, if some of you are stuck on what to journal, just writing letters to, if you wrote a letter now at your age to maybe your 16 or 17-year-old self, to just and put it in the front of your journal. And I thought it's quite a good idea, that, because I think as we get older and things change, it would be nice to sort of sit down and write a letter to my younger self, telling me to forget about a lot of hang-ups and things that I had when I was younger. But I guess that's a wisdom, I guess. But I might have a go at doing that. But look at this page. I absolutely love this trim. It's lovely. It's like pink and it's got sequins and like a bit of chainmail, and the colours. Wow, I love pink and silver and lilac together. Wow, there is so much colour in this journal. It's gorgeous. Like I said, Andrea's also got a flip through of her journal. I said she will. I'm just going out because I'm rushing to try it because I don't want to go over my 15 minutes. But oh, Andrea, it's so beautiful, and thank you so much for gifting this to me. I just can't believe it. And I'm not in the mood anymore about my fabric not arriving, because I've had that much gorgeous mail this week. Bit of fabric's irrelevant now. I was having a bit of a stomp earlier on because I've been waiting for it, but whatever now. Oh, this is lovely. Like I said, boho is just so much colour. It's oranges and oh, everything just goes together, and it's just a riot of colour. It's stunning. Sort of coming near the end of it now. Like I said, she's left me loads of space for writing, which I do love. And lovely postcards and tags. Look at the gorgeous tags, and everything has been trimmed up, and beads and dangles. It's stunning, Andrea, absolutely stunning. And can you believe it's mine? All mine. Oh, I love that. She dances to the songs in her head, speaks with the rhythm of her heart, and loves from the depths of her soul. Some lovely quotes in this. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Andrea, I can't even begin to thank you for this lovely, lovely gift. And I've made so many good friends through the junk journal community. I can't believe I've been so lucky. And I've got so many, I call good friends now from the journal community. Once again, thanks everybody for watching my videos with me, and I hope you're all enjoying your Sunday, and I shall catch you all soon. Bye.